So recently you might have seen that I've bought a new 3D printer, and this is what I've gone with. This is the Anycubic Kobra. Now I've not used a printer from them before, so I was really interested to see what they could actually do. And as you can see, I've pretty much put it to work straight from the off. So this was the very first thing that I actually printed, and this actually turned out to be something for my fishing. So I love my carp fishing, I love going out, and I used to make my own bait all the time, and so I wanted to get into making more baits myself. So I've come up with this idea. So as you can see, I've built a boilie roller, and you can see in the top I put the sausage, which is basically the boilie mix, and all I need to do for me is I turn the handle, and as I turn that, it passes the boilie mix all the way through the inside, and then it should eventually pop out of the bottom into perfect boilie shapes. Now this is just the first one that I've made. It is just a prototype, but it works pretty well, and as you can see, the shape comes out pretty much absolutely perfect for what you'd expect. So this is how it all ended up looking. Now I do have a plan for this in the future. At the minute I'm having to roll these sausages by hand, but I'm currently printing some nozzles that I can actually put onto my gun, that I can actually squirt out. As you can see on the side of these, I have got different measurements. So one of these ones is a little bit smaller, and then the ones at the back, they're a little bit bigger. And that's because I've actually made two types of boilies. So the red one is made for a 12mm boilie, and the one on the left is something a little bit special, as you can see from them grooves. And I don't want to give too much away yet, just until I get that actually making. But I am going to make these hopefully automatic by the end of it. I do have a small motor that I intend to attach into the side of these, so it will be continuously rolling, so I don't have to crank it by hand, and I can just put the sausages in as I make them. So if you like this sort of content, then make sure you do subscribe so you don't miss it. I make things for pretty much everything I do in all my hobbies, so it's well worth a watch. So thanks for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.